for animals is intimately connected with the goodness of character, and it can be confidently asserted that he who is cruel to animals cannot be a very good man. A very good morning to one and all present here. My name is V. Surabhi Patnaik of grade 11B, Mahatma Gandhi House, and today we are here to celebrate the birth anniversary of our beloved Guru Sadhu Vaswani, whose birthday is also observed as Meatless Day. Meatless Day was first initiated in India in 1986. This day is also known as Vegetarian Day or SAK, Stop All Killing Meatless Day. Now without any further delay, let us start our program with a prayer. Next, we have Priyanshi Singh of grade 11A, who is here to tell the thought for the day.
This is Priyanshi from grade 11th A, and I'll be delivering the thought for the day. Life's richest treasure is the loving heart that is at peace with all, by Sadhu Vaswani. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanshi. Bhajan fills the space between man and God. So to fill this void, we have a bhajan for us.
When
Wasn't that an amazing performance? Now we have the students of grade 11 who are here to perform a small skit for us.
सुप्रभात। रुंझुन रुंझुन करती आई सुबह सुंदरी 25 नवंबर की। आओ हम सब मिलकर ले शपथ कि सदा रहे निरामिष, जिए और जीने दो का संदेश पहुंचाए देश विदेश। आइए अब हम सब मिलकर गुरुदेव साधु वासवानी जी के जीवन पर एक सच्ची घटना पर नाटक देखते हैं। यह घटना 1912 की है, जब वो लाहौर के प्रसिद्ध दयाल सिंह कॉलेज में प्रिंसिपल थे। उन्हें रहने के लिए एक आलीशान बंगला और नौकर चाकर मिले थे। उनके मन में एक विचार आया,
मैं अपनी माँ एवं बहन कपूर दोनों को यहाँ मेरे साथ रहने के लिए बुला लेता हूँ, वह दोनों भी खुश होंगी।
साधु वासवानी जी के बुलाने पर दोनों उनके पास रहने के लिए आए।
माँ, क्या तुम्हें ऐसा कुछ चाहिए जो मैं तुम्हारे लिए कर सकूं और तुम्हें और आराम और सुख दे सकूं? क्या तुम्हारी ऐसी कोई विशेष इच्छा है जो मैं पूरी कर सकूं और तुम्हें आनंदित कर सकूं? मैं उसे पूरा करने के लिए हर समय प्रयास करूंगा।
बेटा ठाकुर, मुझे कोटरी की पाला मछली खाने की बहुत इच्छा हो रही है। सिंधी समाज में इसे बहुत चाव से खाया जाता है।
ये क्या? माँ ने मुझसे मांगा भी तो क्या मांगा? मछली? मैं माँ को कैसे समझाऊं? अब मैं करूँ तो क्या करूँ? मुझे माँ की इच्छा हर हाल में पूरी करनी है।
उन्होंने अपने मित्र जो कराची में रहते थे प्रीतम दास धारानी को पत्र लिखा और उन्हें कोटरी मछली लाने का आग्रह किया। वे साथ ही साथ अपने हृदय में प्रार्थना कर रहे थे कि मेरी माँ को सच्चा ज्ञान प्राप्त हो जाए और वह स्वयं ऐसा भोजन खाना नाकार नहीं करे। जल्द ही सिंध से पार्सल भी आ गए।
पार्सल ले लीजिएगा, बड़ी दूर से आया है, लगता है कुछ सोना माल है।
माँ, तुम कहाँ हो माँ? तुम्हारी पसंद की पाला मछली आ गई है।
मेरा बेटा कितना दयालु और माँ की इच्छाओं को पालन करने वाला है। जरा डब्बा खोलकर तो देखूं।
जैसे ही उन्होंने डब्बा खोला, उन्होंने देखा कि मछली सड़ गई और उसमें कीड़े पड़ गए थे। उन्होंने वो बर्तन दूर फेंक दिया।
बेटा ठाकुर, तुमने एक पुत्र होने का पूरा कर्तव्य निभाया है। अब मैं भी तुमसे एक वादा करती हूँ कि आज के बाद मांसाहारी भोजन नहीं करूंगी।
हे भगवान, आप अंतर्यामी हो, अपने भक्त को समझते हो। ईश्वर तेरा लाख लाख धन्यवाद।
इस नाटक से हम यह कहना चाहते हैं, पशु पक्षी इस धरती के आभूषण है, उन्हें प्रेम करो।
जानवरों का कत्ल मत करो और उन्हें मत खाओ, उनका भी एक सुंदर संसार है।
भूखे को खाना खिलाओ और अंधे को रास्ता दिखाओ।
अनपढ़ को पढ़ाओ और उन्हें आगे आने दो, ऐसे ही हमारा देश सुधरेगा।
दादा श्याम।
Wow, that was such a wonderful message. Now, I would like to request our chairman sir to enlighten us with a few words.
Dear friends, my dear children, we have gathered here today on a very auspicious occasion. It is the 142nd birthday of our dear master Sadhu T.L. Vaswani. You know, there are certain names which by uttering themselves ignite the feelings of love, compassion and mercy in your hearts. He was one of them. When he was a child of hardly 6 or 7 years old, his mother came on a winter night putting a blanket on him. He refused to accept that blanket and said, "First go and put the blanket on those people who are lying on the roads in this wintry nights. Then only you come and put the blanket on me." This shows his mercy, his compassion towards the poor right from childhood. Dear friends, in his life, he focused on 3 things. One was education, under which he started the Saint Mira's movement, which I will tell you shortly. His second thing was the service of the poor and the undertrodden. He used to say, don't call them poor, don't call them beggars, call them Daridra Narayan, because it is God who comes in their shape to take help from you. The third aspect of his was his compassion towards the animals. Whenever he used to hear about the slaughterhouses, we could feel the sobbing and the sorrow in his heart. Many a times he would say, so many are slaughtered every day to bring taste to your taste buds. He went forward and said, "A day is not far when meat eating will be condemned as a murder." Now I'll tell you about the Saint Mira's movement, under whose banner we are running the school in Hyderabad also, Sadhu Vaswani International School. Sadhu Vaswani had the vision that the school should not be a money-making machine. The schools have to impart a value-based education to the children. Value-based means he used to tell the girls, you should follow the practice of simplicity and service, purity and prayer. He used to always tell them. He said, life is more important than livelihood. Yes, we need to earn, but earn by righteous means, not by unrighteous means. He used to say, go and help as many as you can. One day, a very rich man came to him. He told him, Dada, today is a very successful day for me. I won 3 crores, just imagine 3 crores in one day. He said, did you help someone? Did you carry the load of someone on the road? He said, no. He said, my dear child, it is not a good day for you, it is a wasted day for you. In the schools and colleges, he used to focus on the value-based education I told you. He used to tell the parents, you are busy amassing loads of wealth, diamonds and jewels, but don't forget your true jewel who is at home, your child. He used to request the parents to devote time to their children. He used to tell the children also that your education should be of the body, not only of the body, but heart, mind and the hands. Work hard, work hard. During his childhood days, he was so honest that once a teacher by mistake declared him grade 1 in the class. But when he counted his marks, he saw that his marks was not that much. He was grade 2 in the class. He went up to the teacher and said, you have made a mistake. I don't stand first in the class. It is the other boy who stands first in the class. How many of us in this time would have the courage and honesty to do that? Hardly a few. My dear children, regarding the poor, his heart used to cry. I will tell incidents from his life of a beggar. Once he saw a beggar who was a leper also. He was suffering from leprosy. He went up to him. He gave a hint to Dada Chashan, who was a small child at that time, to bring a bucket of water and a towel. He with his own hands cleaned the wounds of that beggar, gave him something to wear, gave him his own coat to wear, which he used to wear. Then the beggar, you know what he did? He pointed towards his head that give me this cap also. Sadhu Vaswani, who was full of compassion, he immediately removed his cap and put on the head of that beggar. See the love in his heart for the poor and the underprivileged ones. Then coming to the animals, he used to say, though I have told you about that, but I want to point out one more thing. He used to request each and every one that if not be a vegetarian lifelong, at least observe 25th November as a meatless day. It was his followers who introduced this way back in 1980 or 81 to observe 25th November as a meatless day and animal rights day. Sadhu Vaswani used to ask his devotees, just imagine a mother losing his child, doesn't know where he goes. Similar is the situation with the animals also, the goats, the sheep. Suddenly the children are caught hold of and they served as meat in the plates of we people. My dear friends, we celebrate the birthdays of these great ones every day. This is to remind us that what impression, what teachings they left in the society, and at least imbibe one quality from them. but Sadhu Vaswani was so much full of qualities that I would request you to imbibe these 3 qualities from him about the education, about the service of the poor and the underprivileged, and about the animal love. Be kind to animals. He said, see the eyes of animals. You will see the glittering eyes of God in their eyes. Let us pay homage to this great one by following his teachings and walk on the footsteps of this great master. I am sure you will be richly blessed if you obey the teachings, if you follow the teachings of this great one. Your coming to this world as a human being will be a great success. We are not human beings alone. We are spiritual beings on our sojourn of the earth. So let us make this life a truly devoted and dedicated life. May He continue to bless you all abundantly. May He continue to bless each and every one abundantly, so that the true purpose of our human life is materialized. Thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an enlightenment message. Music is a soul that can be heard by every universe, and any program is empty without one. Up next, we have a music performance put together. Wasn't that an euphoric performance? I hope all of you have enjoyed the show put together by Mahatma Gandhi House. I would like to thank our senior warden, Ms. Poonam Hinduja, the teachers and the students of Mahatma Gandhi House. I would also like to thank our principal, Ms. Arpita Ma'am, and our chairman, Dr. Sir, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Lastly, I would like to thank the IT department and the music department. Let us all observe this day as Needless Day and pledge to save the lives of these innocent animals. Thank you, Dada Sham.